Alright, let's try this one. We're solving a linear equation here. The first thing I know is because it's an equation, it's got this equal sign in the middle here, I should put that equal sign so I don't forget it. It doesn't go on the left, it goes right below where it was. Next thing I like to do is look for fractions. Do I have any fractions? Nope. So I look for brackets, and of course I do have brackets. So I'm going to start by rainbowing or expanding. I'll multiply each thing in front of the brackets by everything in the brackets. So I'll start with negative 3 and multiply it times 4x. That gives me negative 12x. And negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. I'm going to do the same thing with the second brackets. It's a positive 4 or plus 4 times 6x and a positive 4 times 1. So 4 times 6x gives 24x. And don't forget this positive. You need a symbol between this term and the term before it, then the term after it. So keep that symbol in there. Plus 4 times 1 is 4, or plus 4. Again, the answer is positive. And we leave this 43. Once I finish with the brackets, I like to work with like terms. I notice here, negative 12x and 24x are like terms. They have the same variable and the same exponents. So negative 12x plus 24x. Like to think of it like a real object. You lose 12 baseballs, but you get 24 back, maybe as a present. So you now have 12 in total, or you now have 12 x's. We also notice that there are like terms here, just numbers because they have no variables, hence they're like terms, just numbers. Minus 9 plus 4, suppose you lose $9, but you get 4 back. You're now at negative 5, which equals 43. Alright, how do I finish this off? Well, once I've got rid of brackets and I've collected like terms, I like to get my variables on the left, which they already are. The 12x is sitting in a good spot. But I don't like this minus 5. I'd wish it weren't there. So my next thing is get all the numbers, that is, terms without variables, onto the right. And I can do that by doing the opposite of negative 5, plus 5. When I do that, though, I have to do it to both sides. To get rid of minus 5, I add 5 both sides, and it cancels out here, just leaving 12x. 43 plus 5 leaves 48. My last step to solve 12x equals 48 is to get rid of this 12 times x. When you just have 12x, it means 12 times x. How do you get rid of times? Divide. Have to do it to both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So how do I get rid of times 12? Divide by 12. And my answer is x equals 4.